Hey y'all, Model Man Frank here. I'm here working on my Dynama, or Dynama. I don't know how to pronounce it. The Cessna 310, and I'm having a bit of an issue. I don't know if anybody else has had this issue, but I'll send it out to y'all. So, I've had this Dynam is how you pronounce it. I've had this Dynam Cessna 310 for a while. I've gotten a lot of flights out of it. Some good, some bad. As you notice, I bent up the nose a little bit. Bought the aircraft from, it was a hand-me-down. I bought it from Fat Guy. It doesn't have safe mode on it, so I fly with no safe. It does have that binding noise, always has it. I've already had to replace one servo, which was this one, and went bad. But you can see everything works on it. I've got flaps. These are landing flaps, takeoff flaps, no flaps. The biggest problem I'm having right now is the landing gear system. So you can see all three wheels are down. But if I retract the wheels, as you can see, one of them will go up just partially. If I touch it, it'll pop back up even more. Throw that back, but it doesn't come all the way down. So here comes the landing gear coming down. This just started recently. So two of them came down. Most of the time only one will come down. If I retract it again, now one landing gear will come down. I'll flick it again, come back up, landing gear, both of them will come down. But if I touch this one up, it'll start to come down. That's how that works right now. But yeah, that's how everything's working on this aircraft. I guess the landing gear is not, it's an inexpensive landing gear system. So what we'll have to do is we'll probably have to do some flights without landing gears going up or down. Because if not, I'm not gonna have gearing to come in when I come in for a landing. The landing gear is gonna be up, and I'm gonna be having to belly land the plane. So I know most of you will probably want to see it, but I think I can fix it up and get it working again. Oh, okay, now we came all the way down. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Model Man Frank out. Oh, by the way, if anybody else has seen this problem and has had this problem with their Cessna 310, put a comment in the field down below. Let me know what I can do to change it. Or I don't know. I really don't know. I'm kind of at a loss for words. I don't want to buy a new gearing system. The new landing gear systems are expensive as heck. They're just gotten pretty pricey as of now. But I guess I can fly with the landing gear down. It'll just make life a little easier, and also when you come in for a landing, at least the landing gear is there when you come in for a landing. It was just nice having folding landing gear on this plane. So, all right, y'all. Model Man Frank out.